It's like heaven and earth moves whenever we touch. No, for real, I know you feel that. The universe approves when you and I dance. So elegant in heaven, saying these vibes, yeah. It's where we're too ready to leave. We could all night screaming, I'll testify that's loving. Ooh, screaming, I'll testify that we'll survive the test of time. They can't deny our love. They can't divide us. We'll survive the test of time. I swear that I'll be standing next to you, next to you. Oh, next to you. You know it's deeper than the rain, it's deeper than the pain, deep like DNA, something they can take away. Hey, tick, 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 off. Standing next to you, and I'm right here. I'm standing next to you, standing right here. Oh, no, I ain't going nowhere. Standing next to you. Step up right here. You ready to coast? We rolling yet? Coast. Yeah. Coast.
Let's learn standing next to you. It's choreographed by Carole Gourvellec. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn standing next to you. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do right and left, step, lock, steps. So you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal. You're going to bring your left foot in and behind your right. And then we're going to step our right foot forward, step your left foot in and behind your right, and then step your right foot forward. We're now going to repeat that to the left. So you're going to step your left foot forward and slightly into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left. We're now going to step our left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and step your left foot forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to cross our right over our left. Step back with your left. We're now going to shuffle to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. You're going to cross rock your left over your right, recover back onto your right foot, and we're going to do a quarter shuffle over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot forward to face 9 o'clock, step your right next to your left, and then step your left foot forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our left lock step. You're going to do your cross back shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 quarter pivots. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Step forward with your right, make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do a jazz box. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to step your left foot slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our shuffle. You're going to do your 2 quarter pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, and you're going to bump your hip twice to the right. We're now going to put our weight on our left and bump our hip twice to the left. You're going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then we're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. If you would like to, you can change those 2 walks to camel walks. So when we step forward with our right, you'll pop your left knee forward. When you step forward with your left, you'll pop your right knee forward. So let's try that with some counts. I'm just going to do walks forward. If you would like to add those pops in, feel free. So we just finished our jazz box. You're going to do your bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your step lock. So it's step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Cross, backside shuffle, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Step, quarter pivot, jazz box. Step and bump, bump right, bump left, step, half pivot, walk, walk. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your step lock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot, starting with your step lock. Step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Cross, back, side shuffle, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Step, quarter pivot, jazz box. Bump your hip twice right, twice left. Step, half pivot, walk, walk, step, lock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Cross, backside shuffle, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Step, quarter pivot, jazz box. Bump your hip twice right, twice left. Step, half pivot, walk, walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn standing next to you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I push Live